What's more romantic than a chocolate-covered strawberry? Champagne, perhaps? A parfait on a rainy day? No. Why pay an arm and a leg when you can do it yourself in your own kitchen? That's right. For 4 easy payments of $129.99, you too can make your own DIY chocolate berries. Cut out the middleman. Do it yourself. Hey there. We are making chocolate covered strawberries. I wanted to do this video for you guys because I did make chocolate covered strawberries before, but they were like your typical chocolate covered strawberries, nothing completely special. I wanted to do something that was fun and kind of romantic and just very pretty. I literally make chocolate covered strawberries whenever I have chocolate and strawberries. It's just gonna happen. When I first started making chocolate covered strawberries, I had so many questions, and they are so simple once you actually get the little tidbits down. So I hope to provide that for you guys in this video. And if you guys have any other questions, you know what to do. Leave them down below and I will always answer. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe to the channel, press on the notification bell, and only then can we get started. Let's go. Okay, Cakenistas. Now first off, I just got in my shipment of Sprinkle Pop sprinkles. I love their Valentine's Day collection. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm like a little bit addicted. You're gonna need your favorite sprinkle blends. Now onto our strawberries. You're going to soak your strawberries because they have loads of pesticides. Pat them dry with a paper towel and then allow them to air dry so that they are completely dry before we even start our process. It's very important to make sure that your strawberries are completely dry before you dip them in chocolate. If they aren't, that's the reason why the chocolate might just come on off, or it doesn't solidify enough, it doesn't harden. I have white chocolate, pink candy melt, and I have chocolate candy melt. Strawberries are great for any time of year, so feel free to use whatever colors that you would like. I love to use kebab sticks for my strawberries just to make it easy for dipping. So I'm going to put the strawberry on my kebab stick, and I like to pull the leaves back a little bit so that they don't get stuck in the chocolate and you're not like forced to have a leaf with your bite of strawberry. They're going to set up on a piece of waxed paper. And you do want to drizzle a little bit of that extra chocolate off so that you don't have a big base on the bottom of your strawberry unless you like the look of that. And the hardening time will depend on your chocolate. Of course, if you have really good chocolate, it's going to take a little bit longer. So just set them aside in your refrigerator and allow them to harden there. You can also trim the strawberry leaves. I like to do that at times, but then they look really squared off when you do, and I don't really like the squared off look. But that will be up to you if you want to do some little personal strawberry maintenance to all of your berries. I personally like as much of the berry covered in chocolate as possible. It bothers me when I see a berry that is half coated. I'm like, what about all of that other delicious berry at the top? I wish cake pops were this easy to make. So I also ended up swirling a little bit of that pink candy melt in with the white chocolate just to see how that would come out. But the problem was I couldn't get to the very top. Now that my strawberries are setting up, I can begin to decorate them. I put my pink candy melt in a piping bag and cut a very tiny piece away from the tip, and I'm doing the drizzle crisscrosses, and I'm also doing these swirl circle effect. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. I think it's a very classic look. Now to bring in the couture, which is what I feel like I do best, we're going to use some gold luster dust, and I just put a little bit of vanilla in there. Now I would have loved to use a paintbrush, however I couldn't find any paintbrushes, but I could find my silicone brush. So as much of a struggle as it is to flick this paint onto the strawberries, I'm just going to work at it, and eventually it's going to happen for me. I know it is. I got a little bit of that couture going on there, and that's all that I need. So I'm going to take the heart sprinkles from the Sprinkle Pop collection, and I'm going to apply them individually with some tweezers, and I do have a little bit of that white candy melt on the underside of the heart. And I tried to do something funky and creative, and this totally did not work out. We can just act like you didn't see that. So at this point, you get creative. Have fun. Play with the colors. Play with the drizzles. Play with your sprinkles. All of the elements on the strawberry is what really makes it look great. Just have them all make sense. I drizzled some more white chocolate on this one just so that I can pour some sprinkles on top and they would stick. It's so easy. It just takes a little bit more time, but it's so much fun to do. And it looks like, wow, girl or guy, you really put a lot of effort into these strawberries, and that's going to make them taste even better than they already were. And I love to put each strawberry in a cupcake liner, and then I just boxed these up and I gave them to my sister for her and her husband to enjoy for his birthday. So I thought that that was a nice little treat. You know, it's kind of healthy, kind of not. It's the best of both worlds. I like that. Couture and chocolate dipped strawberries. Bye guys. I sincerely hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I'll do the best that I can to answer them, even if they're super califragilistic, expialidocious type of difficult. I'll try to do my best. Let me know what your favorite chocolate dip thing is. Doesn't have to be fruit. If you love chips, I saw chocolate barbecue wings. I try it. I mean, like mole sauce, right? Right, Jaguar? She wants to say hi. I always love it when you make cameos in my videos. Do you love it? That's so sweet of you to say. Nice. That was sweet. Because you didn't slap me this time. Oh, this was a good interaction. Getting used to us, you guys, after 16 years. I am trying to do, if you noticed, 3 videos per week. Stepping my game up times 12. It's like Marisha's Couture factory up in here with the videos. Subscribe and like it, love it, like it, love it, like it, love. Bye guys.